and welcome. Let's take the next few minutes to ground, to reconnect, and to come back to the present moment, back to your body, back to the earth, and back to you. So begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated with your feet on the ground or lying down with your spine gently supported. Let your eyes soften or close completely. Take a slow, gentle inhalation through your nose and a long, releasing exhale through your mouth. And let's do that again. Inhale, exhale. And one more time, breathing in calm and breathing out any tension that you might be holding. And now bring your awareness to the places where your body meets the surface beneath you. Your feet, your seat, your back. And feel the weight of your body being fully supported. You don't have to hold anything up right now. Just let go. Allow the earth to hold you. And now bring your attention to your feet. And imagine soft, golden roots beginning to grow from the soles of your feet. And with each breath, these roots gently stretch down through the floor into the ground beneath you, deeper and deeper, until they reach the rich, steady core of the earth. Feel that connection anchoring you. You are safe. You are supported. You belong here. And with each inhalation, feel yourself drawing into earth energy, nourishing, calming, stabilizing. And with each exhale, feel tension, stress, or scattered thoughts melting down to your roots. Let it go. The earth knows how to transform it. And now bring your awareness up to your legs. Your hips, your belly. And feel gravity gently pulling you down, inviting you to settle. And let your shoulders drop. Allow your jaw to soften. And let your breath be your guide. And silently repeat to yourself, I am grounded. I am present. I am at peace. And now gently scan your body and notice any place that feels tense, tired, or disconnected. And without judgment, simply send your breath there. With each exhalation, allow more space, more softness, more presence. Bring your attention back to the base of your spine, your root chakra. And imagine a warm red light glowing here. This is your foundation, your inner stability. And with every breath, this red light expands, connecting you to the earth, connecting you to your power, to your calm, to your life force. And feel yourself grounded, rooted, and steady, like a mountain, like a tree, strong and still. And begin to slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and take one more deep, nourishing breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And carry this feeling with you into the rest of your day. And know at any moment you can return to your breath, return to your body, and root back into the earth. You are safe, you are home, you are here.
Get the link in the description for more journeys back to you. Like and subscribe.